Hey guys, today we are putting on the secondary battery on the Rattan Sequoia e-bike. There aren't a whole lot of videos showing how to do this, so I wanted to take the time to shoot a quick video. So first things first, what we're going to do is the primary battery is already in here, so we're going to leave that alone. And we are actually going to take these screws out. Now you can kind of see I've already cheated and already started. So we're going to go ahead and take those out. Alrighty, so when you pull everything out, it's going to look like this. What we're going to do is we're going to unplug this, which is to the primary battery. We've got our adapter here. We're going to take the fused side and we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug it into where we just unplugged the primary battery from. So it should look like that. Now we've got these two extras. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug one of them into the primary battery. See if I can't get my tripod to stand up on its own. There we go. So we're plugging that in like so. Now this extra one is actually what the secondary battery is going to plug into once we get it mounted. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and mount that. This here, we need to take it out. Be very careful because it does have little tabs. So you can usually use your fingernails. If you don't have fingernails, you can always use like a straight head screwdriver. So there we go. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and what I would recommend doing, this is the holder that came with the battery. I would go ahead and feed the cord through because as you can see it covers up the hole. So alrighty guys, so as you can see I've already got the brace mounted, I've got the wire ran. It was absolutely a labor of patience, but here that is. So we're going to plug this into here like so. Everything is plugged back up. If you saved that piece of tape, run it back over like so, and then we're going to take all of our wires and put them back in here. So there's that. Now you have to line your gasket back up. And now we get to screw everything back in. Alright, so we've got the cover back on. So now we're just going to lock the battery. Perfect. Now turn our power on. We'll make sure that that power is on. And there we go. And that is the Rattan Sequoia double battery installation.